We are back again at the red carpet, hosted by the one and only Felix Omondi, and of course it's the MARWA Awards 2022. Hapa niko na, by the way, hapa tunaongea Kizungu, tunaongea Kiswahili naye inatushinda, si mdomo chetu, tunaongea Luo. So Engluo. Ukishindwa na English unaongea Luo, ukishindwa na Luo Engluo. Sawa sawa.
Control, wabro control.
All right. So my next guest or my guest right now, ara saki kumuita jina ama kuambia ni nani. Nataka atoe kapela yake yenye watu wanamjua nayo, alafu of course mtajua ni nani. Wapatia kapela yako ile wanakujua nayo kabisa.
Obongo nyakalaga jamana boyno siku kagwedha wasike masaka ni dwaro gatieko dino negi yo kabisa kon gi kochato dongo muoch OMUOCH mwana jo OMUOCH Marwa it has blonded MARWA.MUSIC.AWARDS here right now.
Yes, it's the one and only JAPESA. And of course tuko na nani?
Dezi anapa komi watch mandas momi opadlemba watch mawacho mio mieleba.
Hey, Timo, this interview dibe do matter nikechan gi stars are okay. It's very hard. So JAPESA, yeah. You've been nominated as Luo Rap Act, don't you?
Yeah, Luo Rap Act, yeah.
How do you feel about it? Because it's the first time event ni Timor. Yani event chaka ni to pap. You've been nominated.
Yeah. See, I'm really happy. Like imenifurahisha sana wame recognize kitu tunafanya mimi na Dezian na kina Vioxy, Ward Baba, every other person, Nico Sam, Ochingli, like everybody. Like it's nice yani. Yeah.
Okay, we are dog koni kendo. Mi imbe migia kapela ni moro maber.
Koni giko chato dongo muoch, OMUOCH. Koni giko chato dongo muoch, ni ngato dirombo mka OMUOCH. Dem na kimako mano wo, to nyiri ler ka yuda luoch. Kawuono kokisero in boch. Yeah.
Koro jionge ere kwa enyiki gote ere ma jionge go kabisa.
Dezian, King Dezian.
King, nyaka bedgi King. Nikidhika moro kwa wachuni Dezian to onge ngamo.
Gingeyo King Dezian.
Dong nyaki wachuni King Dezian.
Yeah, King Dezian.
Kiwacha ni Dezian to.
Yeah,
ibinge ni msani.
Yeah, Wodu Genya kai.
Wodu Genya, have you been nominated for any category at the MARWA.MUSIC Awards?
Negi nominate JAPESA. Yeah, to negi ngisa no nego benwa perform kai mami wan biro ka.
Koro ili ubo perform gi JAPESA.
Yeah, JAPESA OMUOCH kod watch mandas.
Okay, sawa. JAPESA, we are back to you. A lot of artists also been nominated akina in the same awarding event mara oketujo angla, oketujo mawero gospel, oketujo mawero rap kaka in erenga mawero kaka in inti artist moro mawero rap kaka in kaka mari.
Jogo tong'eny, jogo plenty. Jing'eny. Vioxy Dede, Nico Sam, Ward Baba, Ochingli, Dezian. Kadhalika tuko wengi nani wakali, siwezi sema si wakali, siwezi wa discredit.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's just tuko hapa, whoever wins wins, whoever takes the trophy home. Yeah, I'll be happy for everybody. I'm just here to socialize with guys. It's a nice thing. Yeah.
There's a question mapenjo mang'eny. Abro penje kasa abro penje ibro duoko. When we do such events, kawa keto JAPESA versus King, kaso versus Chingli akeni ngawakendo kaso wawacho ni male artist of the year, kat video of the year, kata best rap act of the year Luo, and it's like wagonganisha jothum. What do you have to say about that? What is your opinion on that?
For me, anataka poka wacho gimo. Thanks God, MARWA Awards otimo gimo pokno timo. This is history. Yes. You for us, bro, me artists work more. No, kumantie competition, mega niggas work more. Yeah. Whoever win, wanna happy.
JAPESA, what is your take on that?
I think competition inaleta hard work. Juu kama last time the society liamua is better than you will have to work harder. Yes. So ni kitu tu watu wanafaa accept, ukilose umelose, ukiwin umewin. But si ati ni kitu mbaya. Hivyo ndio awards ziko, mnaekwa list hivi.
Yes.
Wewe unaambia mafans wako kawa na kuaminiwa kupigia kura. Kama hujapigiwa pia ni hivyo. Ukipigiwa ni clean. So competition is not a bad thing. Competition inafanya ina propel innovation and everything. Yeah.
Okay, JAPESA, ini wero rap, Luo rap, donge. Ntie jo angla. Who is your favorite angla artist? Mi winjo ti wacho ni ngane aero.
Ohangla artist standa nan joma nyawacho ni mostly afil ga ginji adek ok da maga joma feel Dong'ong'e ni Joyman do nyaka fila ndike nyaka lyric Joyman ninda asto gi swaga
kamano
adongana wacha cha hat na
Mari kaka
Joma feel, but it's not that like I don't listen to other. Everybody is talented, but I most listen to those people. Kuna kina Tony Ndiema. Yes. I listen to everybody who is a Luo, but umejua everybody has a favorite. Yes. Yeah.
Toy
for me and Tony Nyadundo, my best man Prince Inda, Kododongo Swag.
Hey, you're Dongo Swag.
Yeah.
Dongo Swag.
Ni nyako chwadegi nyundo hama kaka Sadhi boy.
Okay, chwadegi nyundo no nikech ana kia gino o chwadegi nyundo. What is your nikech ngato nigi mind ne nitie kako keto ko winjo ni chwadegi nyundo oparo gima different. Yani what is your win paro ga nango ki winjo ni chwadegi nyundo.
Ifundi gima fundi tomo ga nyundo cha.
Mane kaka ini pare. Ato
easy do ngani chwadogi nyundo to enango boy. Boy na ida idi kia chwadegi nyundo ena. Atodong boy no nego penye ni chwadegi nyundo ando kaka pare chwadegi nyundo na chwadegi nyundo boy na marach no chwadegi nyundo
in koro inone gi sanitize wi nikech eno paro maber ni paro marach
ando boy na to ngena anda kethra boy na ok na ler do ng'adhe boy village boy tema to be ok na ber sana.
Koro what if JAPESA King JAPESA ko win that Luo rap act is it a stage
don't want
ko lunga ni and the winner is JAPESA
ngech mane marwa
wa celebrate to bange no twago shere direct wa celebrate ngamo win like you understand kaka we want to create unity in something, you know. Division always destroy everything. Okay, ngato ko winda winyo maraj. Dong next time abanyalo win. It's just the way it is. It is what it is.
Skoro, are you planning any other collab? Nikichangen usego ungi moro.
Wangi ipi milungo no obongo were power. Ine mesaya saya no mabiro.
Tia ongo pressure, mama ongo shida, tungima bende beta samaruto sewezesha, kanisa ema kesha, tupaki egalesha, omea bedo asha koro satano dhikucha, obel siko chacha, ruth konyawa, iloso naga yora, jada ineba, aheri okachocha, jama badila, tuochetema tuo ya obongo ineyath.
Launch on Saturday, Radio Ramogi, Gukasuku Rafael, Koroboga play too.
All right, sawa Erokamano King and JAPESA, we wish you all the best and I hope ni JAPESA they win the ka Luo rap act. Donge? Yes.
Maroka. O pokono team rega.
One ka mane gima meet no.
Sponsors gimed biro. Yeah.
God bless Onagi Nation.
All right. So kutieko what advice kata giminya wacho ka misi ni Mike what do you have to say ango minya wacho from your mind? Wacha kode kati kodi.
Ananyalo ngiso youth ngi donji Bitcoin, cryptocurrency is the next thing.
Yani ni biro timo hala.
Don't ngiso gidonji Bitcoin gilos pack ba.
Enjoy.
Ran pack mading iso my youth. Boy na denyozi boy na kinya yudo pack. Boy na los pack. Cryptocurrency konyo my youth donji timatima research ni
ayun wangeni un gi biashara dwani mondo wadonj gi codes
ok wadonje is not about anything codes, just do anybody who think just go and do your research. Yeah, that's all.
Sawa Erokamano King and JAPESA, wish you all the best. Donge asante sana. Haya tudongeni boy ni